Are you interested in learning about mushroom cultivation but feel overwhelmed by the amount of information out there? What are you looking for? Our upcoming Mushroom Cultivation Simplified webinar is designed to make mushroom growing accessible and understandable to anyone. Overall, our webinar offers a comprehensive introduction to the world of mushroom, its cultivation, processing, and marketing. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced grower, you will come away with a deeper understanding of the cultivation process and the tools and techniques you need to be successful. You will see how to prepare the grow space, how to inoculate the substrates, and how to care for your mushrooms as they grow. With interactive Q&A sessions, you will have the opportunity to ask questions and get personalized advice from our instructors. By attending our Mushroom Cultivation Simplified webinar, you will gain a wealth of valuable knowledge, skills, and an ebook, which costs around 1,000 rupees. Meanwhile, this will help you start or improve your mushroom growing operation. So sign up now and start your mushroom growing journey today.